How to add location on your WhatsApp business. If you are considering to integrate your physical location on your WhatsApp business app, in this video I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. If this video helped you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your WhatsApp business, navigate to the top right corner where you see this three dots and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. Then on this interface, continue to tap on business tools. This will land you on an interface like this. Proceed to tap on business profile. Then continue to scroll down until you locate this map arrow. Then you can proceed to tap on it. As you correctly see, in my case, I've already integrated my location on it, which is the 𝗕ance Street, Ghana. In your case, you have to then proceed to tap on update location on map. Then allow it a bit of moment to finish locating you. After that, if you are satisfied with the exact location that you want to add, you can then proceed to tap on done. Then continue to tap on save. That's it. You have successfully added your location on WhatsApp business. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.